Hi guys, in today's Genshin Impact tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix error codes like 9114 and 9203 that say, failed to download resource files. Firstly, there's not much you can do about it because it's not your device's fault or the game's fault. This is an issue at your ISP's end. I know your internet is working as usual, and as you can see, I am connected to the internet as well. I can access YouTube, but some apps on my phone don't seem to be working, like MetaTrader. Let's do a speed test and confirm if my internet is working fine. Speed test. Guys, as you can see, there is no problem with the internet. But when I try to access it from my laptop, I can't use Google or YouTube. Like I said, there is no fault in your device or the game. You just need to reach out to your ISP and ask them to fix it ASAP. Let us see if it works when I connect to another network. That's it, guys. If you come across this error code, there's nothing to panic. Don't reinstall Genshin Impact. It's a temporary issue, and contact your ISP to fix it. If you found this video valuable, please leave a like, a subscribe, and share it with people who might find it useful. I'll see you in the next one.